This is probably the most easiest and the most profitable way to make some money, guys. And if you follow the steps, if you choose a website for yourself, you'll be setting yourself up for success. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First website on today's list is called New Cloud Miner, and this is really good because it doesn't waste your resources. Okay, this works for you on your cloud, that is on your browser, so you don't have to waste your GPU, you don't have to waste your CPU, your hardware is not working. Okay, this is working for you, so you don't have to deal with hot and noisy equipment assembly and mining at home. We already have the fastest Bitcoin mining hardware working for you, and trust me guys, there's a lot of money to be made with this strategy. A lot of money can be made and you can get your first mining results today, guys. You just have to have a wallet for yourself and you can get that Shiba Inu or Dogecoin as well if you want to get it, guys. So you can get Dogecoin, you can get Bitcoin, you can get Shiba, you can get whatever you want. So just start it and just apply yourself, invest a bit of your time into setting this up, and then the money is just gonna come to you. So once you connect to newcloudminer.com, you have this tutorial over here which can give you some valuable information, but if you follow the steps from this video, you won't need that as well. So you can just go, and it's super simple as well. As you can see, you can just click on Cloud Free here, make yourself a new account. It's gonna be quick and easy, and then you can start getting that money. Once you make yourself an account, you will see here that a confirmation email has been sent to your inbox. So you will have to verify your email in order for them to know that it is a real account, real email, and this is how it will look like. So this is a confirmation email. You can just click on this button, confirm, and then you can go and start making that money. You can see right away that your mining is already has been started. So you have this Shiba Inu and you can collect that pretty easily if you just put in your wallet. So collect successfully, just click on this collect once in a while so it can go to your wallet. This is deposit, withdraw, and you can just put in your wallet if you want to do so. You can see I have Shiba Inu in this amount, and then you just convert that to Dogecoin if you want to get that, or maybe ETH if you are a fan of that as well, and just click on withdraw so it can go to your account. Okay, so just enter in your address in this box over here, and then just click on this withdraw button, and of course hit that subscribe button if you like this method already. Thank you. So a lot of money you can make with this website alone, and I really mean it, a lot of money. I have made loads of it just by using this website. And to be honest, Dogecoin is really good nowadays. As you can see, it is here on this 11th spot, and it's a really good time to get some for yourself. You can see the green graph, it's been on the rise recently, and trust me, you can do a lot with it, guys. Especially Bitcoin and all of the other crypto is really good nowadays, so it's a smart decision if you want to involve yourself into it. But of course, if you want to withdraw this money, you will need a wallet for yourself. You can, for example, use this Atomic wallet, which is over at atomicwallet.io, and it is a really good wallet. I have been using it. It's really good. But of course, you can always use this kraken.com. There is a good wallet here as well. A lot of people are using it. As you can see, it works anywhere. But if you are a complete beginner, you can go to bitcoin.org, and if you click on choose your wallet, these guys will help you with the help of these 4 simple questions. So what's your operating system? You can just click on maybe Windows if you use that, click on next. And then the second question is, how much do you know about Bitcoin? So you can click on new if you are a complete beginner. Just be honest with these guys. So third question is, which criteria are important to you? And I suggest that you take fees. You don't want to waste money on fees, guys. Click on next. And then the last question is this one. What features are you looking for? Here you can click on 2-factor authentication. You can click on next, and then you have been recommended this Electrum wallet, which is fairly nice. You can just click on it and you can visit the website, which is over here. Just visit the website, make yourself an account here, just download that on your Windows device if you are using that. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is, really. Now you can go and start making that money for as long as you want to. This website will take good care of you because it's practically a good website. It's just some free money. New Cloud Miner is good. you can get a lot of money, so just go and involve yourself. But there is also this website which is called exchanging.cc, and what this basically is that it is a exchanging platform which you can use for exchanging your crypto to one another, okay? But if you scroll down here, you will see this button which is called Free Dogecoin, and if you click on Free Dogecoin, guys, you will be redirected to the website which is called like Exchanging Free Dogecoin, and if you enter just your Dogecoin address in this box over here, that's it. You get the money. This is like a faucet, and you can do this like each hour or so. So it will send you some Dogecoin for free each hour whenever you click on it, okay? So it's a good strategy. You can just get a lot of money with it if you just make yourself a timer, for example, and come back each 1 hour. I went on to do some research about this exchanging.cc platform, and look what I found. 4.9 on Trustpilot, guys. I have never seen such a good rating for any website out there. Really, you can make a lot of money here, and people are already doing that. Just take a look at these comments here. People are really in love with exchanging.cc, and apart from that Dogecoin, you can also exchange your crypto. So if you have Dogecoin, if you have Bitcoin, for example, whatever, you can just choose the amount you have, the amount you receive, choose the coin which you want to withdraw, choose which you wanted to exchange for, and that's it. But if you want to get some Dogecoin, you can go to Cointiply as well, and this is a website where you trade your time for money, okay? So if you have some time to invest, if you have some time to trade, you can turn that time into money, and this website is full of money, trust me. Cointiply has a lot of these surveys which are good. Just take a look at this, $5 for every online survey that you participate in. That's good, and you can even play some games and get money like that. You can even do it on your phone. Just take a look at this, 500,000 downloads, and they have 4.4 out of 5. That's a really good rating. And what else you can do here is that you can watch videos. So not only it will be profitable, it will be also fun for you. So you can just go and watch some fun videos, some interesting topics, and just like these users, these 3.1 million users, you can be satisfied, because as you can see on Trustpilot, 4.1 out of 5. This is good website. It is a profitable website, and people all over the world are using it, okay? People all over the world are using it. They got a lot of money on here, and you can do that as well, guys, because this is the best site, best paying site. You can get a lot of money if you just invest your time, nothing else. No money investment, just your time. So be a hard worker and get that money. What I like about this website is that they have this loyalty bonus as well. So if you log in each day, you can increase your earnings to 100%. And that's just doubling your income by just logging in each day. And of course, they have these fast payments. And of course, if you want to get Doge, here it is. You can get Dash, you can get Bitcoin, Litecoin, but of course, Doge is there. So my suggestion is to use it to involve yourself and just turn your time into money, guys. You just have to take some action and the money will come. Catch you later.